I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hugging Face AI. Hugging Face is a fantastic resource for anyone interested in machine learning, from beginners to experts. It provides an incredible ecosystem of tools, models, and datasets that simplify complex AI tasks. We'll explore how to navigate this powerful platform and leverage its capabilities to build and deploy your own artificial intelligence applications with ease. Get ready to dive into the world of modern AI development. The heart of Hugging Face is its hub, a central repository for machine learning assets. Here, you'll discover an astonishing collection of over 500,000 pre-trained models, ready for immediate use across many applications. Additionally, there are more than 100,000 datasets available, perfect for training, fine-tuning, or evaluating your own artificial intelligence projects. This vast library empowers developers to quickly find and integrate state-of-the-art solutions. Central to the Hugging Face ecosystem is the Transformers Library, a powerful tool that makes working with cutting-edge AI models incredibly accessible. This library allows you to perform sophisticated tasks, such as text classification or summarization, with remarkable ease. You can achieve impressive results using just a few lines of Python code, abstracting away much of the underlying complexity. It supports popular frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow, offering great flexibility. One of the most powerful features is the ability to fine-tune pre-trained models. This means you can take an existing, powerful model and adapt it to your unique dataset, achieving highly specialized results. Fine-tuning often requires significantly less data and computational power than training a model from the ground up. Hugging Face provides excellent resources and examples to guide you through this process, making advanced customization straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.